Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Selenium JAR files in Eclipse. First, launch your Eclipse IDE. Next, create a brand new Java project. You can do this by going to File, then New, and selecting Java Project. Give your project a clear and concise name, like Selenium Automation Project. It is often best to uncheck the option to create a module info. Java file for a straightforward setup. Now, you need to get the Selenium JAR files. Head over to the official Selenium website and navigate to their Downloads page. Look for the Selenium Clients and WebDriver Language Bindings section and download the latest stable version for Java. This will typically be a zip file. Once downloaded, extract all the contents into a new, easily accessible folder on your computer, perhaps named Selenium JARs. With your JARs downloaded, it is time to add them to your Eclipse project. Right-click on your project in the Package Explorer, then select Properties. In the Properties window, choose Java Build Path from the left-hand menu, and then click on the Libraries tab. Now, click Add External JARs. Navigate to your extracted Selenium folder and select all the JAR files, including every single one from the lib subfolder. Click Apply and Close. To verify your setup, expand your project in Eclipse and look for referenced libraries. You should see all the Selenium JARs listed there. Now, create a new Java package and class within your project's source folder. Remember to import necessary Selenium classes, like WebDriver, at the top of your Java file. With these steps complete, you are all set to begin writing your powerful automated web tests using the Selenium WebDriver API. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.